Hello guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa video ito, alamin natin ang 10 pinakamagandang babaeng volleyball players sa PBL 2024. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Let's go! Ang pang-10 ay si Gemma Galanza ng Creamline Coal Smashers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 27 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 7 inches.
Hi guys! I'm Gemma Galanza from Adamson University and papakita ko ngayon kung anong yung laman ng bag ko pag nag-game kami. Ito, lagayan ko ng yung mga jerseys ko, panties, bras, yan. So, ito. Tapos, makeup, yan, cellphone, chocolates, pag gusto kong may food, so nagdadala ko chocolate. Payong, syempre minsan hindi natin alam yung panahon, so nagdadala ko lagi. Snow cap, whitening lotion, yan. And mga kikay kit ko, yan. So, nagdadala rin ako ng blower, kasi yung hair ko magulo siya. Yan. So, blower, tapos dalawang suklay. So, yan. Madumihan. Siyempre, kailangan separate yung malinis sa madumi. So, yan. Ito. Knee pads. Yan. Sa ankle braces. Then, elbow pad. Yung shoes ko na size 9.5. Yan. A6. Pink. Then, last yung cologne ko. Yan. Rihanna Nude. Pangupush na. This is Gemma Galanza. Thank you for watching.
Ang pang-siyam ay si Kim Kianadi ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 10.5 inches. Ang pang-8 ay si Jennifer Nierva ng Chiritigo Crossovers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang libero. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 4 inches.
I'm Jennifer Nierva. You can call me Jen. From National University, jersey number 9. There is no significant reason behind my jersey number, but when I entered NU, the first number that I really wanted was number 8 because it's my birth date. But then, Ate Jarel Singh was using that number, so I had to adjust. So, ang ginawa ko na lang ay kinuha yung available number, which is number 9. So, that's the reason behind my jersey number. I'm libero. Height is 164 cm. Weight 61 kilograms. I graduated in National University Nazareth School in high school. My go-to volleyball move is the jump set and the rolling. My goal is to lead my teammates, and whenever they think of somebody na palaging nandyan sa kanila, gusto ko ako yung maaalala nila. Biggest inspiration, my family, because ever since I started playing volleyball, sila talaga yung naniwala at sumuporta sa akin.
Ang pang-7 ay si Michelle Cobb ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang sitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 4 inches.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Cobb from the De La Salle Lady Spikers, and today I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag. And then I have our jacket, or La Salle jacket. We have parang our tokong, that's what we call it. This season, I was assigned to keep all the IDs. So I have it in my bag. So if nawala ko yan, edi, diba, ano na lang. So I have powder and this is my favorite shower gel. Kasi, gusto ko yung parang 2-in-1 na, kasi shower gel, pwede siyang shampoo, tsaka pang body. So, this is from Lush. It's my favorite. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Again, this is Michelle Cobb from the De La Salle Lady Spikers, and that's what was in my bag.
Ang pang-anim ay si PP Sharma ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 22 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 11 inches.
This season 85, we're ready to rise as one. Watch the games live on UAAP Varsity Channel, One Sports, Signal Play, and Smart Livestream. Animal Assault!
Ang panglima ay si Punggay Gaston ng Chiritigo Crossovers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 26 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 8 inches.
Hi guys, I'm Ponggay and I'm gonna show you what's in my...
Ang panglima ay si Mika Reyes ng PLDT High Speed Hitters. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 29 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 6 feet.
I'm happy na natutulungan ko sila. And, yun. Kamayak pa ako. What's the most difficult part of training? Siguro yung serve-receive. Kasi syempre, hindi man ako receiver talaga. So, nahirapan na akong mag-receive ng ball, especially during training. If you can have one superpower, what could it be and why? Superpower ba yung teleportation? Tama ba? Teleport, sila Goku. Tama ba? Sorry. Yung mga ganun, teleport. Gusto ko naman kasi, syempre, dito sa Manila, sobrang traffic. And I think magagamit ko talaga siya kung pupunta ako sa pupuntahan.
Ang pangatlo ay si Carly Hernandez ng Galleries Tower High Risers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 25 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 5 inches.
Guys, I'm Carly Hernandez. I'm from Galleries Tower High Risers, outside hitter. Since malapit na yung liga namin this season, we practice every day. Isang araw lang pahinga namin, which is Sunday. Anything with cardio. For me as an athlete, siguro yung hirap, yung sacrifices every training, especially everyday kami nagka-training. So, time and effort, siguro yun yung magpapamotivate to win. Hindi ako mabilis mag-give up. Libero, kasi yun yung last na position ko before ako maging spiker ulit. Unang-una kong tinitingnan sa volleyball shoes is yung kung gaano siya ka-safe pag ginagamit siya sa game and sa trainings. So far, nagaanan ako sa kanya dun sa shoes. And medyo gusto ko kasi sa shoes is yung fit siya talaga sa pako. So wala siyang time to move pagka gumagalaw ako inside the court. So nakuha niya yun. So dun ko siya nagustuhan kasi comfy ako pagka nasa loob ng court. This is Carly Hernandez. See you in PVL and witness the power in every serve. Believe we can.
Ang pangalawa ay si Vanessa Gandler ng Signal HD Spikers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 23 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 9 inches.
Points, hindi ko nabasa. But you've been scoring double digits in your past 4 games, 20 or more points in 4 straight games last conference. So, saan nanggaling yung confidence,
Energy.
yung energy, and just the grit to play every game?
My team, of course. No, and I was really just grateful to be there. Grateful to be in the position that I was in. So I really just enjoyed because at the end of the day, I was still a rookie. So I was really enjoying every moment.
Vanny, you improved so much since when you were in Ateneo. So do you do like extra training? Kasi kitang-kita talaga sa performance from the last conference na you've improved so much.
I would say since the pandemic, I've really been investing in myself. So it's kind of like long time coming. It's like 4 years in the making, or I just have to be patient. But still, I'm still far from.
Ang pinakauna sa listahan ay walang iba kundi si Michelle Gumabaw ng Creamline Coal Smashers. Siya ay naglaro bilang isang opposite hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 31 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 9 inches. So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, likes, comment, and share para sa sunod na video aking i-upload. Thank you very much.